Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Mr. Gupta Ibrahim is here with your social studies new topic, Crossing the Sea Explorers. We have begun the chapter Crossing the Sea. In previous class, we have done the land routes used by the explorer, that is Silk Route, and the Chinese explorer Zhang Hai. Now we will discuss the European explorers Christopher Columbus and Amerigo Vespucci, the discovery of American continent by explorers and how America got its name. These are the main contents which we will cover in this session, and also explain the reasons for European explorers, okay, why they were eager to explore Asia or the new sea routes. And we also discuss the technology that made ocean exploration possible, and explain the reasons why the European look for a sea route to Asia, and a history discovering America by Christopher Columbus. These are our main top contents which we will cover in this session. European explorers Christopher Columbus. Reasons for European exploration. Stories. These were the main reasons why Europeans were eager to explore Asia. Stories of Asia's riches made European sailors eager to explore by sea. Actually, the riches or the wealth and glory of Asia, it was the main reason which made the European explorers eager to explore the new ways to Asia, to reach to Asia. So wealth and glory and riches or the riches were the main reason for exploring Asia by sea. For another reason, they wanted a direct route to Asia. As we have discussed in previous class, the land routes were very difficult to cross. So they wanted a direct and easy route to Asia by sailing through oceans. So they discovered a new sea route. They wanted to discover a sea route, an easy and direct route to Asia. The technology that made ocean exploration possible. Europeans used astronomy. Astronomy is the study of sun, moon, and all the planets to determine the latitude distances. So astronomy played a vital role in determining the distances and locating the different places where explorers wanted to reach. And they estimate the north-south position by watching North Star at night, which was on the North Pole. So they were in a practice of using and watching the North Star, through which they could estimate the directions. They developed small ships called caravels. Caravels were very light and small ships. They developed to travel very fast. So caravels were lighter and could travel faster than other ships of that time. They improved tools for navigation, which were the compass and astrolabes. These were two tools which were used by the explorers to determine the direction and location of the places. These were compass and astrolabe. Also, more accurate maps were drawn for sailors to use, and they also drew the maps of the world to know the exact directions and the location of some regions where they wanted to reach. So these were the technologies which they used to explore the sea routes. Now the European explorer Christopher Columbus. This is the picture of Christopher Columbus. Look at this picture carefully and keep his picture in your mind, because I am going to give you the matching in which you have to identify different explorers, and you would have to write their names on that worksheet. So these pictures are also in your textbook. Christopher Columbus was born in 1451. He was Italian. When he grew up, he became a great explorer who sailed across the Atlantic Ocean, hoping to find a route to India. He sailed through the Atlantic Ocean from here. So he wanted to discover India, route to India. He was born in 1451 and he was Italian explorer. As I told you in the beginning, the riches and the wealth and glory of India attracted the European explorers towards Asia. So how they could earn the wealth by trading with India. So main goods which they wanted to trade with India were India was very important because many of the spices that people in Europe wanted grew there. They use these spices in cooking for medicines, to dye their clothes, and lots of other things. As the land of India is very fertile, so variety of crops is grown there. So in Europeans wanted to grow these crops also in their country, but they wanted these spices which were made through these crops and these spices were used by Europeans in making the medicines, in cooking, and to dye the clothes and lots of other things. So they wanted to trade these spices, which attracted the explorers towards this, and they uh, thought that they could earn the more profit and more wealth by trading these goods from India. So this is the map showing the sea route of Christopher Columbus from Italy to India. This is the map of India, and from here he traveled through Atlantic Ocean to India, Indian Ocean. Then this is also in your textbook. You can take help from that. Columbus sailed for King Ferdinand II and the Queen Isabella of Spain. Columbus sailed with three ships. Achha, Queen Isabella of Spain and King Ferdinand. They both supported financially. They both financially supported Christopher Columbus for this expedition, for this voyage, because exploration needs a lot of money, and without money, you cannot explore the things. You cannot go on a voyage or on a expedition. So Columbus also wanted funding or financial support. So he got from King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain. They both supported him financially. After which Columbus sailed with three ships. He had main three ships, which are also shown in this picture. This one, Nina, Pinta, and Santa Maria. These were the names of his three ships, which were very famous at that time. And about 90 member crew, he sailed with the 90 members crew. They set sail in August 1492 from Spain. So they started their voyage in August 1492 from Spain. In October 1492, they spotted the Caribbean island of the coast of America. 42. They started their voyage in August, and in October they reached the Caribbean island. They discovered the Caribbean island of coast of America. They landed on an island. They named it San Salvador. They also discovered a new island which they named San Salvador. They were met by the native people. Native people means the local people who are born, who are living there since their birth. So native people he met there. Many of these people were captured by Columbus, men, and later sold as slaves. Uh, at sometimes Columbus became very brutal, and he captured many poor people and sold them in the market as the slaves. For this, Columbus was also punished by the King Ferdinand when he reached back to Europe. Columbus thought that he made it to India. After discovering Salvador, he thought that he had discovered India and called this area Indies and called the people who live there Indians. Columbus was thinking the new island he discovered was India. But he proved wrong after some times. Columbus didn't know it at the time, but he had discovered a new part of the world. Many people moved to the Americas after his great discovery. It became known as the New World. Columbus was thinking that he had discovered the Indies, but he was wrong, or he did not know at that time. He had discovered a new land, and after some time the people began to move to Americas, and this was known as the New World. The island which Columbus discovered was known as the New World. And how he came to know, how the world came to know what was discovered by Columbus was America. So we will go through this. How did America get its name? An Italian explorer, another explorer, Amerigo's Vespucci, also sailed west with 4 ships across the Atlantic Ocean in 1499. He was also an Italian explorer who sailed in 1499 with the Atlantic Ocean also towards west. He used 4 ships. He named Amerigo's Vespucci. Also, look at his picture. He is Amerigo's Vespucci. His picture is also in your textbook. America, and made a map of its coastline all the way down to the South America. When he was when Vespucci was traveling through the sea, he was also drawing a map of this way, the sea route with all the coastline and south to America. When the first map showing America as a separate continent was made, the cartographer named is America. What happened after some times? A cartographer of that period, a famous cartographer of that period, or a geographer whose name was Martin Waldseemüller. Martin Waldseemüller, when he published the map of Vespucci, Amerigo's Vespucci's map for the first time, he named it as America, the new island. He published each and everything, all the information collected by Amerigo's Vespucci, who said that Columbus was wrong and he had discovered a new world. When the Martin Waldseemüller published the first map of Vespucci, he named the new world as America, to as America, to give an honor after the name of Amerigo's Vespucci. So America got its name after the name of Amerigo's Vespucci, because he had discovered and he told the world that Columbus has discovered the new world, which was not Indies, it was the America. Let's watch a video, Christopher Columbus ki, or it will give you more information about Christopher Columbus and will help you in understanding more about his discoveries. There is an assignment also. After watching the presentation and video, read the topic in your textbook also, and study the maps and pictures also. It will help you more in understanding the topic. So that's all for today, girls. Till next class, Allah Hafiz.